Welcome to Geography Samachir Syllabus of Tamil Nadu. Classics Geography Lesson 2 Land and Oceans Part 2. After having studied about the different landforms, different order of landforms, about continents, plains, plateaus, strait, isthmus, valleys, and many other landforms, now let us study about the different oceans on our Earth's surface. We all know that more than two-thirds of the surface of the Earth is covered by water. And the Earth looks like a blue ball when we see the Earth from the space. That's why Earth is called as blue planet or water planet. This is because two-thirds of it is covered by water. The water is found in oceans and seas. Oceans are vast expanse of water. Seas are water bodies partially or fully enclosed by land. There are 5 main oceans in the world. The largest ocean is Pacific Ocean. It is the largest and also the deepest ocean on the earth. It covers about 1/3 of the Earth's total area and spreads for about 168.72 million square kilometers. It is bounded by Asia and Australia in its west. Australia and Asia in its west, and North America and South America in its east. It stretches from the Arctic Ocean in the north to the Southern Ocean in the south. The legendary explorer Ferdinand Magellan called the ocean Pacifico or Pacific, which means peaceful, because after sailing through the stormy seas of Cape Horn, the expedition found calm waters. The ocean was often called the Sea of Magellan in his honor until the 18th century. This ocean's shape is roughly triangular with its apex in the north at the Bering Strait, which connects Pacific Ocean with the Arctic Ocean. This is Bering Strait. It connects or separates. The Bering Strait separates Asia with North America, and also Bering Strait connects the Arctic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. The Bering Sea, the China Sea, the Sea of Japan, Tasman Sea, and the Philippine Sea are some of the marginal seas of Pacific Ocean. Here is the Bering Sea, and here is the Tasman Sea, here is the Philippine Sea, and this is Sea of Japan. These are all the important marginal seas found in Pacific Ocean. Indonesia, Japan, Philippines, New Zealand, and Hawaii Islands are some of the important islands in Pacific Ocean. What is a trench? Trench is nothing but the deepest points in the ocean. As our continents or the lands have the plains, plateaus, valleys, mountains, rocks, everything, the oceans also have different types of landforms. And the deepest point, Mariana Trench, is 10,994 meters deep and is located in the Pacific Ocean. And the height of Mount Everest is only 8,848 meters. So if we place Mount Everest at the bottom of the Mariana Trench, the peak would still be 2,133 meters left below sea level. A chain of volcanoes is located around the Pacific Ocean called as Pacific Ring of Fire, which are often prone to volcanic eruptions and earthquakes. The next ocean is Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean in the world. It covers 1/6 of the Earth's total area and spreads for about 85.13 million square kilometers. It is bounded by North America and South America in the west and Europe and Africa in the east. Like the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean also stretches from Arctic Ocean in the north to the Southern Ocean in the south. And the shape of the Atlantic Ocean resembles the letter S. It roughly resembles letter S. The Strait of Gibraltar connects Atlantic Ocean with, this is Mediterranean Sea and this is Atlantic Ocean. And this Strait of Gibraltar, it connects Atlantic Ocean with Mediterranean Sea. And the Atlantic Ocean is the busiest shipping route between eastern and western hemispheres. The Caribbean Sea, Gulf of Mexico, North Sea, Gulf of Guinea, and the Mediterranean Sea are the important marginal seas of Atlantic Ocean. North Sea, this is the Mediterranean Sea, Gulf of Guinea, and this is Gulf of Mexico. All these are the important marginal seas of Atlantic Ocean. And like Mariana Trench in Pacific Ocean, the deepest point of Atlantic Ocean is Milwaukee Deep in the Puerto Rico Trench. It has a depth of about 8,600 meters. St. Helena, Newfoundland, Iceland, and the Falkland Islands are some of the important islands found in Atlantic Ocean. Iceland, Newfoundland, St. Helena, and Falkland Islands are the important islands. And it's quite interesting to know that the equator, the 0 degree latitude, and the prime meridian, 0 degree longitude, they meet each other or cut through each other in the Atlantic Ocean. And Red Sea, it contains a cyanobacteria called Trichodesmium erythraeum, which blooms seasonally near the water surface and turns normally blue-green water to reddish brown. That's why this sea got its name Red Sea. And this is Dead Sea. Why it got the name Dead Sea? The Dead Sea, also known as the Salt Sea, is actually a salt lake. It has a single source, the Jordan River, and is not connected to any other ocean. Its landlocked nature causes the water to evaporate and leave behind massive amounts of salt, making it so dense that people can float on top of it. The third largest ocean on the Earth's surface is Indian Ocean, the only ocean to named after a country. It covers an area of about 70.56 million square kilometers, and it is named after India. It is a triangular in shape. So the Indian Ocean is also triangular in shape and bounded by Africa in the west, Asia in the north, and Australia in the east. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep, Maldives Islands, Indonesia. This is Sri Lanka, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. And here you have Maldives, Lakshadweep, or the important islands here. And this is Malacca Strait, the strait that separates Malaysia and Indonesia. And also the Malacca Strait, it connects the Indian Ocean with the Pacific Ocean. The Bay of Bengal, the Arabian Sea, Persian Gulf, and Red Sea are some of the important seas of Indian Ocean. So this is Red Sea. The Java Trench is the deepest point in the Indian Ocean, and its depth is 7,725 meters. And 6-degree channel separates Indira Point. Indira Point is the southernmost point of India, which is in Andaman and Nicobar. So this and Indira 6-degree channel separates Indira Point and Indonesia. This is the southernmost point of India, Indira Point, and this is Indonesia. And this 6-degree channel separates Andaman and Nicobar Island and Indonesia. 8-degree channel separates Indira Point and Maldives and Minicoy Islands. This is Maldives, and Minicoy Islands are found in Lakshadweep. So this 8-degree channel here, it separates Minicoy Islands and Maldives Islands. And 9-degree channel separates Lakshadweep Islands and Minicoy Islands. So this is Lakshadweep and this is Minicoy. And here you have a gap here, and this is where the 9-degree channel runs. And 10-degree channel separates Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So this is Andaman and this is Nicobar. And here runs the 10-degree channel. Here 9-degree channel. This is Minikai Island. This 9-degree channel separates Lakshadweep Islands and Minikai Islands. And this 8-degree channel separates Minicoy Islands and Maldives Islands. And this 10-degree channel, it separates Andaman Island with Great Nicobar Islands. And the next ocean is Southern Ocean. The Southern Ocean surrounds the continent of Antarctica and is enclosed by 60 degrees south latitude. It covers an area of 21.96 million square kilometers. So this is Southern Ocean. Actually, this is the Southern Ocean. This is the place where this Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean and Indian Ocean, they run across each other. And we cannot bifurcate the boundary of these water bodies. So together, all these water bodies together, we name it as Southern Ocean. And it is surrounding the Antarctica. And it is bordered by the southern parts of Pacific, the Atlantic and the Indian Oceans, the Ross Sea, the Weddell Sea and the Davis Sea. This is Ross Sea and this is the Weddell Sea. And here it is the Davis Sea. And these are the marginal seas of this Southern Ocean. Farewell Island, Bowman Island and Hearst Islands are some of the islands located in the Southern Ocean. The deepest point in this ocean is South Sandwich Trench with a depth of 7,235 meters. Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. As the Antarctic or the Southern Ocean is in the southern pole, the Arctic Ocean is found near the northern pole. It covers an area of 15.56 million square kilometers. It lies within the Arctic Circle. It remains frozen for most of the year. The Norwegian Sea, the Greenland Sea, the East Siberian Sea, and the Barents Sea are some of the marginal seas of this ocean. Greenland, New Siberian Island, and Novaya Zemlya Island are some of the islands located in the Arctic Ocean. Here you have the Novaya Zemlya Island here. Here we have Greenland. These are the important. Here we have New Siberian Islands. So these are the important islands found in the Arctic Ocean. The Eurasian Basin is the deepest point in the Arctic Ocean, which is about 5,449 meters in depth. Hope you understand this lesson. If you like this lesson, if you find it useful, like my video, comment about it, and share this among your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.